So I finally met Maja Bless, and he took me to Trench Town to try one of the healthiest Rastafarian food in Jamaica called Ital stew.
Yeah, so I'm here in Kingston, Trench Town, and we're about to try one of this food over here. And it's Ital stew, okay? Ital stew is Rastafarian food. Yeah. And no meat, no fish.
And one beautiful thing I will never forget is that the chef who owns this local restaurant is the chef who used to cook for the legendary Bob Marley, and he is called Kotikan in Trench Town.
So this is Kotikan, the master chef over here. Amazing food over here.
From the 70s cooking, and still walking to buy his products.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And still walk firm and strong, buy the products them to cook in the market same way, you know? Yeah, man. And Cutty been cooking this from Bob Marley days.
Okay.
Bob Marley ate a lot of this, you know? Ital stew, strictly vegetarian, no meat, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man, no meat, strictly Ital stew.
In fact, the street I'm standing on is the street where Bob Marley lived.
DJ Nature, Africa wait is creator, hotter than the equator. You keep the faith, yeah.
So Maja Bless is a reggae musician in Jamaica, and it is his song that I've been playing in my videos. So check me out on YouTube and other platforms and enjoy good music from Jamaica.
Don't forget album deal. Trust the rise and keep a brother in the mud. Selling a soul sign.
So before we got to local restaurants, he made me see town by passing through the local ghettos, a place where most Jamaicans will never visit because of violence. It was so real and interesting because I know we have similar places or locations in Ghana.
Me accept my level, no me not afraid of war. No sell my soul to no devil, I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level, no me not afraid of war. No sell my soul to no devil. Girls I sell out for Kentucky 2-piece, drive new Jeep and a ton brute piece. Whatever you sow, then I eat you reap. Weep you a weep as you're in too deep. Why you want to walk before you creep? Money made you a freak. How you sleep? Time to separate the goat from the sheep. Rasta laws you fi keep. I'm not afraid to be poor. Me accept my level. No, me not afraid of poor. No sell my soul to no devil. Well, I know say no one can serve two masters, but either he will hate the one and love the other. He will hold one and despise the other. You cannot serve God and serve money, you know. I know that the Lord will maintain the cause of the afflicted and justice for the poor. For you have been a defense for the helpless and a defense for the needy in distress. For the love of money is the root of all sorts of evil, and somebody longing for it have wandered away from the faith and pierced himself with many.
So we finally got to Trench Town and it was all love. Man, mingling with Rastafarians was one of the beautiful things I've ever seen.
You see the spot you say maybe you know it as Trench Town.
Yes, Trench Town.
But you know where you are? Little Ethiopia.
Okay.
New Jerusalem that bring forth the new flower.
Okay.
That responsible for singers, players of instruments.
Okay.
There's nowhere you find that correlation within a community, within that vibration.
Yeah.
Jazz and blues, ska, rock steady, you name it. Reggae music was just like yesterday.
Yes, exactly. I'm loving it.
A natural thing, man. You know the space here there? It's a natural mystic blowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. You know it's part of the script. You know it's part of the Bible that full.
Yeah.
From Revelation 2, from verse 1 to end.
Okay, so that mystical song from Bob Marley, that's the quotation, Revelation 2, that's what he's talking about.
Yeah. Say you have an ear,
You hear.
let him hear. You have an eye, let him see. So you have to come see it for yourself. You have to come hear it.
Exactly.
No one can't tell you how to live it. No one not tell about Kotikan, so you don't know. You have to come and taste it.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So he's saying it's cooked on wood fire.
This Asian brethren,
Yeah, man.
he's from another community.
Okay.
And he lives here every day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro, okay.
Yeah, man.
I see that black the soul, man, make you want them.
You understand? Yeah.
No meat, no powdered seasoning, everything natural,
really
you know?
amazing, really amazing. So this is Maja Bless and man.
Real people, the real things.
Exactly.
Real coffee from floor to ceiling.
Yeah.
Maja Bless the Anya change store with coffee from Ghana. Live and direct, you
Man,
know?
check him out. He's a musician. Like this, he's dope. Very dope guy. You need to check him out. Maja Bless on YouTube. Check me out. Yeah, so he's taking me around and man, we are here trying this Rastafarian vegan food.
Greatness.
Amazing food. Amazing.
Yeah man, Cutty been cooking from in the 70s. Cutty Khan used to cook for Bob Marley. Yeah, live and direct, a real thing. Is it? Straight.
Cook for Rastaman them legendary.
Yeah.
Marley them.
Yes, aye.
Man, it's amazing, no? So rice, coconut milk, bits of potatoes, some beans.
So whilst we were eating, someone came to sell sex enhancement medicine. Man, Kotidin did draw Jamaica. Or Kodo. Masro.
These are the baby making products, you know?
No more premature ejaculation.
Yeah.
No more erectile.
No more 2 minutes, no?
Spirulina build up the confidence.
Okay.
It gives the penis the authority over the vagina.
Oh, we love that. We love that.
No more premature ejaculation in church now. No more erectile dysfunction. It love making the woman first will climax and the man one. The woman has to come first.
Okay.
A phone remedy for low sperm count. 9 months from tonight, she head into Jubilee.
Okay.
To deliver.
Okay.
Bugs in boy baby. And now mind no more jacket. Celebrate the Father's Day. Must be mad in.
Wow.
No more impotence at the home boy eat all night and justice. Do not cook. Spirulina. Sit down for it, at it up, broad or catch it on the head with now pop that easily.
Yeah.
Say I better back touch her too. Bye for that battage.
Wow. Man, amazing food by all standard. Wow. This is incredible. This is really incredible. I got myself some stuffs over here. Concussion. Yes, I just got this from Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
They said let the penis have potential. No, how did they say that? Authority over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Let me open it and see how it tastes like.
Alright, just a pause a moment, but this is the yard where Bob Marley lived in.
Okay.
This is the yard, it's called the culture yard.
Okay, so this is Bob Marley's house.
Yeah man, his house is right in there.
Okay.
There's a van still in there that is Bob Marley's van. And you can pay for a tour and then tour your road. So when you're ready, you do that as well. You know?
Okay.
Yeah man. So there's Bob Marley van still in there, you know?
Okay.
That's the culture, you know? Yeah man.
Interesting. So Bob Marley's villa.
Rasta.
Man, it's very hot over here and interesting. So we just saw the Bob Marley's house. Very interesting place. So you need to pay for them to take you around to do a station about. I saw the statue over there. Interesting, man. Okay, so let me try this concoction over here. So it's kind of, I feel like Fuller's kind of stuff inside. Just it tastes like Fuller. Peanut, and like it's just an aftermath taste of like Fuller. So this is Jamaican concoction, Jamaican aphrodisiac, you know what I'm saying? Sexual stuff, like how Ghana they sell bitters and all those stuff, yeah. This is a Jamaican version of how they are own. Yeah.